How to add digital products to your Shopify store. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add digital products to your Shopify store. So first of all, what you have to do is just go to your dashboard or home page and click this products option, and once you land over here, just click add your products over here. And once you click this, you have to create a product like normally you create one. And once this is loaded, I'm going to create a product. Now you can just add a title like you add one randomly. I'm going to come back once I fill these details in. Now for the digital product, I'm going to write ebook and fill accordingly like it's a digital product, an ebook demo or something, and then you can just create it. So I'm going to come back once I fill in the description, the media and all. So once you create your product, just click save, and then once your product is created, here you can see that my first product has been created. I just have to go to the apps option, and here you can just search for digital downloads. Like here I'm going to search for digital downloads and press enter, and then it's just going to load this interface for you where your digital downloads will be available. And let's just wait for the app stores to open, and once it opens, you have to download this digital downloads app, this black icon one. Click install. Once this interface opens, click this install button, and when you click this install button, it's going to give you a prompt of redirect you to a new interface, and there you have to click install app again, and then it's going to start downloading. So let's just wait for it to load. Here you can see that I have this button of install app. I'm going to click it, and once I click it, it's going to automatically download digital downloads to my Shopify store. So once it's downloaded, you can see that it's here in my apps bar, and now I have to go to my products again. Now once you click this digital downloads option, you're going to land over here on your products files options, and you can see that the digital files menu has been added, and you can click add digital files. And once you click this, you can add files over here by uploading the files like the ebook demo that I created as a product for mine. You can always create a product and then just add it to the digital files, and then just click add files, and then just upload the product from your library or computer desktop. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can add digital products to your Shopify store. I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.